To the Rio family, headed by Sir Rex Bangawan, our esteemed guest speaker, Attorney Douglas Michael N. Manilin, our parents, guests, and my fellow newly passed CPAs who have come here to celebrate the fruits of everyone's labor, a pleasant evening to all of you. Honestly, a month and a half after the results, everything still feels surreal. Ang isang province boy na gustong-gustong mag-engineering noong bata siya, pero hindi tinuloy dahil hindi marunong mag-drawing, ay isa ng ganap na CPA at top-notcher pa. This achievement is something I never imagined would happen so soon, and I want to make it clear from the very beginning that this is not mine alone. This is a shared victory of my family, my girlfriend, my mentors, my review center, Rio, and everyone who believed in me even when I doubted myself. Galing po ako sa isang simpleng pamilya. Ang nanay ko po ay isang simpleng housewife at ang tatay ko naman po ay isang tricycle driver. Lumaki po akong nakita ang hirap at unfairness ng buhay. Ang pagbabasa at pagre-review ko araw-araw ay hindi dahil sa gusto ko lang, kundi dahil kailangan. I want my family to experience what they haven't experienced, and becoming a CPA is, I think, the first stepping stone to attain that. I want them to experience something they were deprived of. Aminado po ako, pinangarap kong maging isang top-notcher. I aimed high dahil hindi naman masamang mangarap. And besides, sino ba naman ang ayaw maging top-notcher, di ba? Pero after the board exam, the feeling was very different. Pagkatapos ng taxation, I went very home very anxious. Isang malaking pagkakamali ang pag-open ko sa social media apps dahil nakita ko na ang dami kong naging careless mistakes sa mga simpleng questions lang. So, sorry po, Sir Rex. Tinanggal ko na sa vocabulary ko ang salitang top-notcher that time dahil it really felt impossible na ma-achieve yun. The days after the exam, I was so down at nag-Mobile Legends na lang para maaliw ang sarili. Kaya noong lumabas ang results and I saw my name, hindi agad saya ang una kong naramdaman, hindi pagkabigla at pasasalamat. Everything was so unexpected. With this, I want to extend my utmost gratitude first to my family, who has been my source of motivation since day one. My mother, father, kuya, and lola, this achievement began with you and belongs to you as well. Thank you for your presence all throughout. To my girlfriend na hindi lang nandyan for a call kapag 11:30, but also nandyan para magbigay ng encouragement during the moments where I experienced self-doubt, exhaustion, and pressure. A big thanks to you as well. Your presence carried me through this journey more than you know, and I'm lucky to have someone like you. Someone who believed in my dreams, and someone who stayed when the journey became difficult. To Rio CPA Review, headed by Sir Rex Bangawan, isang malaking pasasalamat po sa inyo dahil I experienced being your scholar during my undergrad and formal review, which really is the burden of my family. To Sir Wency na laging nandyan for advice, and all our dedicated reviewers, Sir Rad, Miss Diane Francisco, Sir Escala, Sir George, Sir Rex, Attorney Tamayo, Attorney Nico, Attorney Diane Azores, Attorney Chris, Sir Karim, Sir Vincent, Sir Mark, Sir Louie, and many more, isang malaking pasasalamat po sa inyo. Because of Rio, what is lacking to me was filled by their effective review program that they offer. I was equipped with knowledge about the technicalities of every subject and the necessary traits as well to pass the board exam because of the collective efforts of all. Of course, to our Almighty God, who never fails to fascinate me. It was through Him that I found strength when the journey became difficult. It was through Him that I was given courage during moments of uncertainty. And it was through Him that once seemed impossible became possible. To my fellow newly passed CPAs, now that we're officially certified public accountants, kasama ng titulong meron tayo ang isang malaking responsibilidad. That's why I want to emphasize one such important thing, integrity. Knowledge and skills will make us competent, but integrity will make us credible. Kahit walang nakakakita, piliin nating gawin ang tama. Kahit mahirap, piliin nating maging tapat. May we learn to use our titles not for personal gains, to the detriment of others, but to serve and always choose to do what is right. So let's feel this moment and celebrate. For this moment is a reminder that hard work, faith, and perseverance are always rewarded. So thank you so much and may God bless us all.